All right.
We had technical difficulty badly.
Yeah, so we're going to kind of have to start over again.
Somewhat, yeah.
Yeah. It's all right. We got.
One of them's busted, and I threw it over there.
Yeah. We got a wall climber.
Yeah. No, is it physically stuck to the back? Ow! Oh, it's the Undertaker.
That's the Undertaker?
Yeah. I just want
Yeah, that is the Undertaker.
Pull him apart.
No, don't pull him apart. Don't pull him apart. And then we opened up Mickey Mouse.
I got a hedgehog thingy with the little ball.
And we got Tweety Bird.
See, what happened was Tap fell out of the case and it clicked the back button and lost all of our recording.
So we are so sorry. We feel bad now.
And then we got this locket thing that I destroyed with the screwdriver and threw out.
Yeah. Alright, so it's your turn.
I'll take the candies. I just want to get this over with. I hate these things. I don't know why. Ow! There we go. Ah! Is it the same thing? No! This is colored.
Yeah, you got yellow feet. Mine have white
Well,
feet.
that's the classic. They only ever
mine's-
put them in the red pants.
Yeah, mine's classic.
But there he is. I'm not going to make the mistake of this time eating it.
Alright, I think I'm going to go and open up Minnie Mouse. Minnie!
Mom, it's only Minnie Mouse. It'll only ever be Minnie Mouse because it's a Minnie Mouse collection.
You look like Mickey now.
Okay, these are the mini Wensies. They're like itty little horses. And I remember these things being so hard to tell who was who. Because they're all so similar. Okay, get a real horse sticker.
Oh, cool.
And then here's the horse we got.
Oh, that's a beautiful horse. Ooh, you can get unicorns.
Okay, this is Coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut the horse. Coconut the horse.
These are unicorns.
Oh, you got a unicorn.
Let's see.
There were some pretty ugly unicorns.
I want that brown one.
Mom, there's hair. Whoa! Whoa! That's a big unicorn!
I got the red one. Right there.
Oh. Does it have glitter in the mane? Yeah, I thought it had glitter in the mane. Oh, it got it anatomy correct.
Oh, these are boys.
Hi!
Hi!
Fuck a shit nail!
Hi! You're on video.
Baka! Alrighty. I think this is the last thing. You hear me? Okay.
That's the last thing.
No! Okay. Alright, I got the LOL Surprise Boys. Here, I've been wanting to get a boy for a while, just because boys.
I'll be back.
God, you're leaving me?
I gotta go get some water.
Alright.
Yeah. I gotta get some water.
I'm half asleep, okay? 4 o'clock's late for me. Explosion music! I instantly think of Bakugo. Blast the music! Nah, man. Nah, you need to think of Bakugo. Okay. Here's the checklist of what he could do. He could spit, color change, squirt water from his ears, apparently, cry, or wet himself, according to the stickers.
Okay. I
Hey.
got the water.
Hey, exploding music.
Exploding music.
Yeah, totally. I instantly think of Bakugo. Anytime I see explosion something, I think of Bakugo. Or Kachan. You know? I instantly think of Kachan. Get over here, Kachan!
There we go.
Ooh, the ball's black. Ow! Okay.
Okay, it can.
Oh,
cry.
this is the cup. Here's the water cup. It's black and it's white. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Here are the little tiny shoes. They're black and white, and oh, they look like maybe they would be little high tops. Oh, right.
Open up the pizza trap door.
I think this is pizza. Okay, it is. Yo, baby, IDK, lol. OMG, ABC, JK, QT. Hey, it's the dude from the front. Okay, here's the little outfit. Looks like a skeleton. I love the top. Oh, here's the checklist.
Let's see. It's probably gonna be.
It is. Yeah, I know it is. I'm just seeing if I can get in. That's a boy. That's a boy.
All
and
of them
that.
are boys.
They don't. These three don't look like a boy.
They are.
Okay, here's the boys you can get. In my opinion, they don't look like boys. Okay. We got some rock star glasses. There's a little pacifier in there. It's kind of cool. And this is supposed to be like a little lounge. Oh, hey. You can move things around with the boys.
Huh.
See, I just took these out. So things can be moved around with the boys. The lounge that they have can be moved around. That's kind of cool, you know? See, for example, you can put the cup. Oh, that's the cup. The cup here and all that. That's cool. I like that.
That is cool.
Alright, time to see who our boy is. Okay. Our boy is Nightfall. And let's see what he does.
Oh. Nothing. Oh!
Anything but the Deku jacket! He spits.
He's a spitter. And he spit big time. He spit all the way over there.
I didn't know it was going to be a spit. I just like playing in the water.
You little stinker. Oh.
Anything with the Deku jacket! Oh, you're in out.
Ah. Okay, I think I might leave.
Oh, she left. I'm all alone. Okay. She's staring at me in the doorway. Like the creep she is.
But you love me.
He ran out! You brought this on yourself, mother.
No, I didn't do that with the girls.
Well, these are boys.
I know boys are trouble.
Ah! Yes! Oh, Mom! I'm gonna get you.
Got a big smear mark.
I'll let you borrow an eyeglass cleaner.
No, you do.
Oh, I lost you.
And be ready because Monday we're going to do another one.
I don't like these pants one bit. I don't like these pants. Here you go. I don't like them pants.
That's what he looks like all dressed up.
I don't like the pants.
Put his eyeglasses on. Put his eyeballs on.
You can't.
There we go. He's got his eyeglasses, his sunglasses on. All right. Get that out of your mouth. What is that?
What?
In your mouth?
The bottle.
The what? The bottle?
The bottle.
Get the bottle out of your mouth.
Ah!
It's soft. Alright. Give this video a thumbs
I
up.
just realized this is a
Subscribe
bust.
if you're new. And we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone!